Welcome to our showcase video, Self-Service Your IT with au2mator. Today I want to show you how to self-service your SCOM environment by providing a service to create and remove maintenance schedules. So your business owners are able to create and remove the schedule by themselves without the interaction with your SCOM console or without going to the IT department and tell them to do so. We have some distributed applications in our systems. And now I want to start a request for myself, and I'm looking for maintenance, and here it is, schedule maintenance mode. Next I have to choose the distributed application I want to use. In my case I want to have the ERP system. I have to choose start and end date. Of course, a short maintenance window in the morning, and I have to select the reason. So this information is directly requested from the SCOM SQL database. So in our case, it is a planned maintenance for the application, and finish. Immediately the runbook will be triggered, and the maintenance schedule should be created in a few seconds. So if you take a look here and hit a few times the refresh button, we should see the schedule appearing. Yes, of course it is not running because it is triggered for tomorrow. And if you take a look in it, it is created for the ERP system. The schedule we selected 4 AM, 2 hours, and the detail, it is the reason. So this is the schedule. And now we decided to remove the schedule because maybe we don't want to do it tomorrow. We will plan it for a different day. So we can also remove a maintenance schedule. We select this. We select the distributed application, and of course we can select the schedule for the distributed application. We only will be provided with the schedule for this particular distributed application. So for example, if I select a different distributed application, I will not see any schedule here. So let's go back to the ERP system and now select the schedule and click finish, and then the schedule will be removed from our SCOM environment. Here it is. So that's it. You will find all the information and links in the video description. Enjoy your day and bye.